Asaram's rape-accused son is still untraceable, and remember, he is the same man who once scorned and mocked a rape victim. But Narayan Sai can't really hoodwink the law anymore. Surat police finally gives an ultimatum to Asaram's son, who is facing serious charges of sexual assault.
For the past 3 days, self-styled godman Asaram's son has been evading the law. Like his father, Narayan Sai too is facing allegations of sexual assault. But now time may be running out for Narayan Sai, as Surat police have issued a notice for him to appear for questioning at the earliest.
नोटिसेस अभी सर्व हुई हैं आधे घंटे पहले। यहाँ पे जो जहांगीरपुर आश्रम है उसमें नारायण साईं को पुलिस जो इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर हैं उनके सामने तात्कालिक हाजिर हो इस तरह की नोटिस दी गई है। एक नोटिस उनका जो पासपोर्ट में ऑफिशियल एड्रेस है अहमदाबाद आश्रम का वहाँ रवाना किया है, वो मेरे ख्याल से सुबह उनको सर्व होगा वहाँ।
Trouble is set to mount for Asaram's son, for if he doesn't show up before the Surat police, he could be facing a non-bailable warrant. Yet speculation continues over Narayan Sai's whereabouts. Sources even say that he may have fled to Nepal.
Launched a massive manhunt to trace Narayan Sai. They have now sent a notice at his Ahmedabad and Surat ashram asking him to appear before it as soon as possible. On the basis of this notice, the Surat police will now be able to move court to obtain a non-bailable warrant against Narayan Sai. Now self-styled godman Asaram's son, Narayan Sai, is left with no other option than to apply anticipatory bail application or move the court for quashing FIR.
In a huge setback to Asaram, his former aide has revealed how the controversial godman and his son had been exploiting young girls.
मैंने देखा कि वहाँ 3 लड़कियाँ उस दरवाजे में से आ रही हैं, तो जब उस आवाज़ से मैं जब उठ खड़ा हुआ तो मैंने देखा कि ये जो 3 लड़कियाँ हैं ये फटाफट आई और आकर के वो गाड़ी के अंदर बैठ गई। गाड़ी एस्टीम जो गाड़ी थी वो उसके अंदर बैठ गई। मैंने उन लड़कियों को मतलब जैसे आपकी और मेरी जो नज़र है बस इतना ही डिस्टेंस रहा होगा।
So far, Narayan Sai may have got a long rope, but with the police issuing notice, Asaram's son may have to soon face the law. With Ashish in Surat, Archana Solanki for Times Now.